In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to validate course modules fast and easy. Whether you're an educator, a content creator, or a business professional looking to structure an impactful course, Google Trends can be a valuable tool to ensure your content aligns with current interests and demands. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com. In the search bar, type Google Trends and press Enter. From the search results, click on the first link directing you to Google Trends. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the Google Trends homepage, a resourceful platform that allows you to see how frequently particular terms have been entered into Google's search engine relative to the site's total search volume over a specific period of time. Next, click on the Explore link. This is where the magic happens, as it will take you to the main section where you can start analyzing search trends. Before diving into the analytics, it's essential to clearly outline what you want to achieve. So take a moment to write down all the modules or lesson topics you're planning to include in your course. For instance, if you're creating a fitness course, you might consider modules like meal planning, home workouts, supplements, and tracking progress. Once your list is ready, you can begin the comparison process. Enter your first module topic in the search field, and then click the plus compare button to add another topic. You can compare up to 5 topics at once, allowing you to analyze which ones have a more substantial and consistent interest over time. After entering the topics, hit the Enter key to see the results. You'll notice the trends displayed over a time period. The default is typically set to the past 12 months, but you can adjust this using the time filter at the top. For a deeper insight, you might want to explore different time ranges like the past 90 days for current interests, past 12 months for seasonal trends, and past 5 years for long-term interest shifts. To further refine your analysis, scroll down to the Interest by Sub-Region section. This area indicates where each module topic is most popular. Such geographical insights can be incredibly valuable, helping you tailor your content to match the preferences of your target audience by location. Lastly, don't forget to review the Related Topics and Related Queries sections for each module. These sections present related search terms and topics that can enrich your course. You'll discover specific questions people are asking, related subtopics worth considering, and the language and keywords they use, which can enhance SEO strategies. By following these steps, you'll effectively use Google Trends to validate your course modules, ensuring they're relevant and engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in your course planning journey.